So, are they whiteheads? No, these white bumps, not a sight for sore eyes, are not whiteheads, though, to the naked eye, they may appear like so. They are cysts or bumps on the surface of the skin and are more like clusters of dead skin. You have milia because keratin gets trapped underneath the surface of the skin. Keratin is a strong protein and you will find it in hair, nails, and skin tissues. They aren't even acne, so why should you treat it that way? So, why do you have milia? If you want to get rid of milia under eyes, you will have to know the reason, and there is not one but many reasons. It may be because of the usage of heavy creams. The under eye area is more sensitive than the other areas of the face and you should not rub it vigorously. Best treatment for milia. Number 1. Exfoliation. The 4-step process that your skin just loves. Cleansing, exfoliation, toning, and moisturizing. Some of us tend to ignore the exfoliation part, but there are numerous benefits to exfoliating your skin, and that includes reducing hyperpigmentation, minimizing blemishes and scars caused by acne. As milia result from the entrapment of skin cells, exfoliation can reduce the possibility of them springing up on your skin. Once you start exfoliating properly, it softens the skin's texture and helps the moisturizer to seep in. Number 2. Steam opens your pores. Steaming opens up your pores and helps remove the irritants that may block your pores. You can take a steam bath, sit in your bathroom while you keep the shower running and keep it on a hot setting. The room will soon fill up with hot steam. 5 to 8 minutes is enough. This will open up your pores and dislodge some of the irritants that get trapped under the skin. Once you are done, wash away to remove the irritants and step out with your skin renewed and revived. Number 3. Manuka honey mask to treat milia. The antimicrobial quality in Manuka honey helps reduce inflammation. Bacteria is the chief cause of inflammation, the reason why you have milia, and Manuka honey helps get rid of milia. Let's find out how. You can shop for Manuka honey either at supermarkets, health food stores, or online. It has many healing benefits that you may not find in commercial honey. Honey with cinnamon is a potent combination and prevents bacteria formation that causes acne. Milia isn't acne, but the antibacterial effect of the pack works great in combating the skin condition. It's one of the more effective milia acne treatments. Number 4. Sandalwood and rose water. Rose water is love. Especially in the summers, I need regular and generous doses of my rose water spritz to freshen me up. But what about milia? You can treat milia effectively when you combine sandalwood and rose water to get rid of the excess oil and also remove dead skin cells that cause the condition. Stay put, we'll tell you how to combine the two potent ingredients and combat the milk spots. Blend 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder with an adequate amount of rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply this paste on your skin and leave it for 15 minutes. Wash off with cool water. Continue with this treatment for a few weeks. Number 5. Pomegranate peel powder. Another popular treatment is using roasted pomegranate peel powder. It has antioxidant and exfoliating properties. It is rich in vitamin C and terrific for your skin. It helps soothe acne and pimples. You can roast some pomegranate peels till they turn dark brown and brittle, and grind them into a powder. Make a paste out of lemon juice or rose water and 2 tablespoons of the powder. Rub it on your face and let it for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse off. Follow it up for a few weeks till the condition disappears. Number 6. Castor oil. Castor oil has immense healing and antibacterial properties and minimizes sebum production. Once the sebum reduces, problems such as acne and milia bid you a permanent goodbye. Apply 1/2 teaspoon of castor oil on your face and wait till it completely absorbs in the skin. Continue for several months. You can also use a mixture of equal parts of castor oil and olive oil in the same way. You can try another combination that works as well. Just 1 teaspoon of castor oil and enough baking soda, apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for a couple of hours and then wash it off. Continue with this treatment for 2 weeks to get fantastic results. Number 7. Tea tree oil. The tea tree oil remedy is regarded as one of the best permanent milia treatments. If you stick to a routine and apply it regularly, those tiny white milia bumps will soon make a disappearing act. As an added advantage, it also disinfects your skin. Try this at your home, clean your face thoroughly and apply a little tea tree essential oil on the spots at least once every night, before you hit the sack. Wash your face first thing in the morning and continue with this treatment till you see results. Number 8. Apply aloe vera. Aloe vera is a miracle plant and has immense healing properties as it is anti-inflammatory in nature. It also has antioxidant properties, soothes and heals, and is an ideal milia skin disease treatment. Extract fresh juicy pulp from the aloe plant and apply it to the affected area. Let the gel stay on your skin all night. Wash it first thing in the morning. Continue with this treatment until you see the back of this skin condition. It shows results in a few days. Combine equal parts of aloe vera gel and green tea. Let the mixture stay for 15 minutes and then wash it off. It helps fade dark circles and is helpful to get rid of milia around the eyes. If you like this video, please like and comment on this video. And subscribe to this channel.